Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by enabling Linux to run the tools we need. Open Settings, go to Developers, and turn on Linux Crostini. Make sure you have enough disk space and plug in the charger. Once done, open the Linux terminal and update packages so installs are clean. Install a lightweight video player such as VLC or MPV using sudo apt update and sudo apt install VLCY. This gives you a player that can loop videos smoothly and act as the animated wallpaper backend. Next, prepare a wallpaper-ready video. Pick a short clip and resize it to your screen resolution. Using FFmpeg is fast and reliable. For example, run FFmpeg to scale, crop, and encode to MP4H. 264 so playback is efficient and battery-friendly. Once converted, move the file into the Linux home or the Chrome OS Linux files share so the player can access it. Make sure the file name is simple and avoid spaces. This prevents path errors. Now you're ready to launch playback as wallpaper. Finally, run the player in loop and borderless mode so the video fills the background. For MPV use, loop file equals inf no border on top, or configure VLC to disable decorations and loop. Then set a startup script in Linux to launch the player at login so the wallpaper persists across reboots. Make sure the window is placed beneath panels if needed. If you run into issues, check file permissions and paths first. If playback stutters, reduce resolution or use hardware acceleration to improve performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.